Hi guys, welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene, and today we're going to learn about circles. So let's get started. So our first question is to identify all the parts of a circle. So right now I'm going to start off by marking the middle of the circle, which would be called the center of the circle. And it is going to be very important to help mark the other parts of the circle. So I will start with that first. So moving on, I'm going to mark our next part of the circle, which is called our diameter. And it is basically a line segment connecting 2 points, and does that by running through the center of the circle. So moving on to our third part of the circle, this part is called the radius. Its plural form is a radii, and it is also basically half of the diameter and starts from the center of the circle. And you can add multiple radii, and it will always be the same distance away from the center of a circle. And if you know the measurement of one radii, you will know the measurement of the other radii. So moving on to our last part, this part is similar to the diameter and is going to be called a chord. So it is a line segment that connects 2 points on a circle, but doesn't run through the center. The diameter is technically a chord and is the longest chord, just runs through the center. So now I'm just going to highlight all the parts with different colors. So we are done with the first problem. So now let us move on to the next one. So what we have to do is we have to find the area and the circumference of the circle. So I'm going to write the formulas of both the area and the circumference, and it will use this special type of symbol, and it is called pi, and it will help us solve for the area and the circumference. It's basically the ratio of the circumference over the diameter, and it is a very long number, and it is 3.142, rounded. So the circumference formula has two formulas, since you will both get the same answer, but the first formula, all you have to do is multiply the radius by 2, since that is also equaling the diameter. So now let us move on to start with the area. So we don't know the measurement of the radius, but since it is half of the diameter, which the measurement of the diameter is given, half of that would be 6. And we need to square that, so 6 times 6 is 36. So all we have to do is multiply 3.142 by 36, and we will get our answer for the area. So our answer will be 113 and 112 thousandths centimeters squared. So that will be our area for the circle. So now let us move on to the circumference of the circle. So I'm going to use the second formula because I think it will save space for me and it will save more time. So I am going to use the second method. It's my preferences. You can use the first one if you like. So all I have to do is multiply 3.142 times 12, and that will get us our answer of the circumference. And finally, our answer is going to be 37 and 704 thousandths. centimeters and centimeters. So guys, thank you for watching Nene Math. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Bye!